like?
It was really good. I wasn't gonna show my face, but I guess I will. That was awesome.
Tell people which timer that was again.
That was a 5:08. I'm surprised. I wasn't shaking.
And where are we?
We're at baseball field right now. I believe this is Otter Creek. I think, yeah. This is Otter Creek Road. If you wanna.
We're by Percy Warner Park.
Yep.
Outside of Nashville.
And now I just want to tell you guys thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next Siren video.
Bye-bye.